Hey guys, it's Kim, and in this week's video I'm going to be doing a super inexpensive DIY. This is inspired by all the hats and stuff that have the sayings and everything. I did two because these are from my mom and one from my aunt, but I did the black one. I did it on the pink so you could see it better, but it just says Aloha on it. And the black one is more of like the inspired of the other one. I just did it on a pink so you guys could see it better. This one here is it here. So these here and stuff I've seen on like Urban Outfitters and all this stuff, and they're like close to like $35. And this DIY altogether cost me $4. It was $3 for the hat, and I got the hat at Dollarama. So Dollarama in Canada, so I got the hats from Dollarama. I'm sure you can probably get hats like this, similar like this at like Dollar Tree or Walmart or something like that. And then I just got the string for $1 at Dollarama. So this is super inexpensive and super like fast. Like I made this in under 5 minutes, two of them in under 5 minutes. So if you guys want to figure out how to make these hats, then please stay tuned. What you need is a straw hat, some wool and scissors, along with a glue gun. All I did was figure out what word I wanted. I said I was going to use the word aloha. And all you do is just take your string and figure out where you want to put it on your hat and slowly make the letters. As you go, you want to use little bits of glue and kind of go around and put it every few spots. Like A probably has about 4 pieces of glue or 5 pieces of glue, just to make sure your letter and everything keep shape. When I got to the O in the aloha, I went around the side to cut it off just because I didn't want too many layers of string around. Then I went back and then I did like the line part in the A, stuck that down, and then afterwards then I did like the curly part in the O, and then when from the curly part in the O I did the H and the A. And there you go. There you have your straw hat. Super easy to make. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and make sure you click that bell below, because YouTube is doing that funny thing where, you know, not all the subscriptions go in subscription boxes and all that. So if you guys have any other DIY suggestions for me, let me know with a comment below. Also, I'm thinking about doing another tie-dye video, as I do one every year. If you have any ideas for what you want me to do for a tie-dye, let me know with a comment below. And I guess to see you guys next week with another video. Thanks. Bye.